Faith, complete truth or confidence in someone or something. We all need a little bit of faith in life. We all need a little bit of faith in the things that we do. You gotta know that you can do it. You gotta know that you can make it happen. You gotta know that if it's to be, it's up to me, right? My mentor once told me the 10 most beautiful 2-letter words in a single sentence. If it is to be, it is up to me. If it is to be, it is up to me. The 10 most beautiful 2-letter words in a sentence. If it is to be, it is up to me. You must have faith, complete truth or confidence in someone or something that if someone says they're gonna do something, you know they're gonna do it. And you know you can count on those people. When it comes to your own faith in yourself, that you know that you can do it, you know that you can make it happen, you gotta know that if other people did it, you can do it. Now, how they did it, we don't know. Some people get quote unquote lucky. Some people, things just happen a little easier than others. But at the end of the day, if one person can do it, another person can do it too. How are you gonna get in there? We don't know. You may have to get beat up and battered a little bit. You might have to be in the trenches, get scars. You might have to bleed a little bit. We don't know. All we know is that you have that faith that you can do it. I was once told, fake it till you make it. And when I first heard that, I said, oh my gosh, that's awesome, because it rhymed and it sounded all cool. And as I grew and grew and grew in this industry, I said to myself, I don't want to fake anything. If I make it, I make it. And I learned that if you've ever seen any of my YouTube videos on my YouTube channel, I do a lot of also personal development videos on there. And one of the things I always talked about how was when I was young, that, you know, I thought a car would do it. So I got a really fancy car. I got a Cadillac Escalade EXT when it first came out after the Matrix Reloaded. And I felt all cool, and I gave myself a huge car bill with a very expensive car payment, insurance, and gas that I honestly could not maintain. And it basically, quote unquote, killed me. And it was horrible. And I thought, you know, if I have this car, people will look up to me. And did people look up to me? Sure. Did I feel cool? Yes. Did I look cool? I want to say I did, right? But I realized that that was absolutely pointless for me to do that. And now, as I grew, I said, you know what? I don't want to fake it till I make it. I just want to have faith. Faith it till you make it. You know, I don't want to fake anything. If I want to have integrity, a clear correspondence between actions and words in which say what you're going to do. I want to be able to, if I'm going to accomplish something, it's because I have full faith in myself that I can do it. It wasn't because of a car. It wasn't because of the Porsche I got. It wasn't because of all these other things that I thought would help me. I made it because I just believed in myself. I worked hard. I did everything I was supposed to do, and I made it because it was just my time. After you put in so much work of doing the right components and the right foundation, of course you're gonna make it. So faith, complete truth or confidence in someone or something. Don't fake it till you make it, faith it till you make it.